Now for the head, the medallion, and the cowl, I want to put those all on their own UV maps, and so that we get a full texture for those. We want those to be nice and detailed. So for the head, I have the UVs from ZBrush, but I'm going to rotate those a little bit. Looks like I can scale them up a bit and just maximize that. You could try cutting it in half too and doing it that way. And let's go ahead and make a texture for that. In the end, we'll want them all on a different texture anyway, and so this helps for a couple different reasons. So let me go ahead and duplicate. And so we'll use this body temp 1. We'll call this head, change the color, and let's go ahead and assign it. All right, let's do the medallion. So again, we'll take one of these, duplicate, call this medallion or metal, and let's make this another color. And I'm going to make sure to shrink it down just a little bit. We want to make sure to assign it. And then the cowl is another one that we did some simple UVs on in ZBrush. Got those laid out. Got it going along the diagonal. So we'll go ahead and duplicate this again. When we take this into Painter, each painter is going to treat everything that has the same material as being together on one map. So that's why we're grouping everything together on these different maps. So we'll call this cowl temp and add another color. I think we have anything that's orange yet. Oh, we do have some orange claws. So we'll do maybe more of a dark blue. All right, so that gives us, it looks like everything except the eyes and the jumpsuit. Okay, and so the jumpsuit we're going to do a little bit more work on, and then we also have to set up the materials for the eyes, which are going to be multiple materials. So we'll go ahead and do that next.